In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone. And this method will work on any iPhone. Okay, first open your settings app. Then click your name. Now you can see this option Find My. Just click that. Now tap Find My iPhone. Yeah. Now you can clearly see this toggle button Find My iPhone. Right now it's turned on. So just touch and turn off this. Now you need to enter your Apple ID password. If you forgot your password, just use this forgot option to change your password. For me, I just type my Apple ID password. After you enter your password, just click turn off. That's it. Now your Find My iPhone was completely turned off. And there is no way to turn off your Find My iPhone without password. And this is how you can turn off your Find My iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.